Look how well they work. Awesome covers, privacy covers. All right, today we're gonna bring a cover for your iPhone 13, and if you guys can see, this is a shatterproof. If you guys can see that, it gives you instructions how to set the whole thing up. We're gonna set it up on an iPhone 13, and the way you do it, you just open it up. You give you a couple wipies and a couple of stickers too, and I'll tell you the stickers are for removing some of the dust particles, and these are privacy screens. All right, and if you guys can see, they have the cover and they tell you where to pull off the actual system. You got to make sure you have correctly put this in one area because you do have clearance for your phone, and of course, you know, it's a beautiful tinted, so it's in. You could set this up. And this is actually how the tinted it is, all right? Not the actual black of it, but if you guys can see, you can actually see through it. You get 3 covers, all right? They're all included in here, very well protected, in the glass too. We don't want to take this off until we're ready to put this on, all right? First of all, get the wipies, all right? This is very important when you want to set the new cover up on any phone. And it's a one with alcohol, so it's going to evaporate really quick. Make sure you do this quickly. And then we're not done yet, because if you mess this up, you got 3 tries. So we're going to clean it as much as we can. Then once we clean it, we still want to do this with the adhesives. They have adhesives for the dust. So we could come back in here. All right, we just got it. Make sure that the camera and the speaker has a clearance. It's connecting, and automatically it's adhesive to the actual cover. These are easy to remove, and if you do mess up a little particle, you can always remove it and start again, but it's not that bad. We got it clean, and if you get air bubbles, just push them to the side. All right, not bad at all. So like I said, just a little tiny bit to the side. Look how well they work. Awesome covers, privacy covers. So very simple, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video.